Hi, my name is Blair Quiring. As a leader in your organization, it's important to enforce a data-driven culture. A data-driven culture promotes accountability and transparency, as actions are based on objective data rather than personal opinions. Data-driven organizations also have a competitive edge. You will be able to identify inefficiencies, optimize operations, allocate budgets effectively, and improve overall productivity. But how do you get there? EAG Foundations provides oil and gas organizations with a dynamic, robust, plug-and-play report pack and a secure, flexible data warehouse. With EAG Foundations, team members at every level of the organization have access to unified data across systems that produce accurate reporting and analytics, empowering team members to make decisions and adopt a data-driven culture. Contact us to learn more.